Greetings friends and welcome back to our Expert Zone Facebook and YouTube channel. Today we are back with one amazing device which is an addition to the Surface Pro family, and that is the Surface Pro 9. Before we get into it, let me introduce myself. I am Hiten Avlani on behalf of Microsoft Training Team India, and at Microsoft we are on a mission to empower every individual and organization on this planet to achieve more. Now, looking at the new device, let's see what this beautiful new device has for us. Today we'll just see the unboxing, and in the following videos we'll talk about the latest features and what are the things that come with the device. Today's objective, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this device and we're going to see what all comes as a pack in this particular device. Let's get started with it. I am already loving the color of it, guys. If you guys can see the color, it's blue. We call it the sapphire color, and it's an amazing color. So now I have opened the box and I'm going to pull out the device now. It's a beautiful device. Let's see. Oh, so we have a manual with it. We have a box which carries the charging cable with it, and here we have the lovely, beautiful device with us. Wow. Guys, don't you guys love this color? I don't know, I'm already in love with this beautiful color. And to your surprise, we have 4 colors that have come with this particular device. So we have the platinum, we have the graphite, we have the sapphire, and we have the forest green color. Some amazing colors. Do walk into your nearest retail store and have a look and touch and feel of this device. Now, let's get started. So when we talk about, you get the device in the box, you do get a user manual which talks about how to use the device and what are the things you should be taking care of with the Pro 9. You do also get a power adapter and a charging cable with this. The standard Microsoft charging adapter that is there. And yes, they do have an India-friendly plug to it. And this is the charging adapter that you get with this device. So that is what comes with the box in this device. Let me start this device. This device comes with a beautiful kickstand, giving you the option of using this device in various angles. So I could decide the angle that I want to use this device in, and it goes up to 165 degrees. That's how you can use. So it is extremely easy if you want to write on this device with an additional accessory that we get, that is our pen. That is the kickstand. Let me show you a few additional accessories that you could get with this device. We have the beautiful signature type cover, blue color, and we also have the Surface Slim Pen 2. That both of these could be purchased as an additional accessory. So like I was saying, the moment this device goes to 165 degrees, it gives me the feeling of as if I'm writing on a book with a paper. So that's the beauty of the pen. The type cover, the pen fits right into the type cover here, and it has a wireless charging, so you do not need to carry an additional charger with it. It keeps charging the moment it's connected to this. That's about the hardware. Talking about the ports, you have a Surface charging port, and you have 2 USB Thunderbolt 4 ports here. We have a volume up and down button on the top, and the power button right here at the top. That is how the device is designed. I do love it. Now let's remove the cover and let's get into the device. We're going to be removing this. Wow, what a feeling of removing this pen. And I'm going to turn it on, and you guys, you can see that how quickly this device comes up the moment you press the power button, and the time that it takes to actually boot the device and log in. We are already at the screen. I'm going to show it my face, and let's see, does it log in? Absolutely, we are right into the device. Now, this device without the keyboard or the type cover can be used as a tablet. You just remove this, hold it the way you want. There are multiple ways. You can keep it on the table. That's it. Device comes with Intel Evo platform. So all our devices are on the Evo platform, except for the entry model, which is the 128 GB variant. Apart from that, all our Pro 9 comes on the Intel Evo platform. The moment you want to use it as a laptop, you just need to pull in the type cover and connect it And now this device is a complete laptop with all the keys, and we have a precision trackpad, everything right into the device. It's a touch device, so you have a 13-inch touch display. Everything can be operated via touch. Now talking about the configuration of this device, you get the options of Intel i5 and i7 two variants, and the RAM starts from 8 GB goes up to 32 GB, and the storage starting from 128 GB to 1 TB. That's the options that you get with this beautiful device. So depending on your need, depending on who you are, whether you are a professional, you are a creator, you're a graphic designer, depending on your need, you can choose the device that right fits your personality, choose the color, choose the configuration of your choice. That was the Surface Pro 9 for us. Do walk into your nearest store and check out the configuration and the color that suits your personality. Do not forget to follow our Facebook and YouTube page, Expert Zone India. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for more updates.